We're here. It's a Monday. It's the Modern Fowler Scrum, and we have Sam, and we have Matt, and we have Eniwoke. And what on earth is going on? I asked myself rhetorically, or not rhetorically, because I'm going to answer it. So I have spent a little bit of time this morning on the website, one kind of site content and kind of restoring one of these nice expandable, collapsible sections in one of the premium pages that we accidentally lost, and that all took a little bit longer than expected, as I had to like remove like non-ASCII characters and something like. I was like, right, I will get one thing done, and then it took twice as long as I thought it would. And anyway, it's done. It's done. And Stella was here. Stella, hello, Stella. Yay! Yay! I was just going through my. We started the Scrum. I'm just going through the things I've done, which was so fixing up a bit of the website one site. I then catching up on all of my Slacks and emails since it's been I was off for a week, and there's lots to catch up on. And I was just working through pull requests for local support, which we had one from Stella, one from Nick, and one from who's the other person, Zhao Hong. So yeah, am I blocked by anything? No, just kind of like there's just such a big profusion of stuff that I'm confused about what to look at next. But that's my problem. Plans. We've got the Elixir mob coming up shortly, and then we've got the client beta sources client, the autograders client meeting. We've got the new members meeting coming up. That's the rest of the day. So that's me, Matt. What have you been doing? Are you stuck on anything, and what are your plans?
I'm doing good. This week I did my first work with Waffle, so that was cool. Happy to start getting that going, and with the Championer 1 stuff. And yeah, we had the second weekend of weekend collaboration, which was cool. I actually did Saturday and Sunday this weekend, and cool. Yeah, we put that for events because I'm kind of doing every Saturday and Sunday anyway, so I just put there. And we had 4 or 5 people each day, and we ended up both days we struggled to get wrapped up in less than 2 hours. So it was kind of like a mega super big pair programming. And yeah, we're just kind of going through Code Academy stuff, talking about Ruby, playing with different arrays and hashes and stuff like that. Okay, was there yesterday. And blockers, I don't know. I have that thing on my project that I wanna incorporate still, and I don't know. Yeah, I'm not blocked yet because I'm kind of haven't had the time to start it yet. So, but yeah, I'm kind of thinking I'm hoping I don't get blocked on that. But yeah.
So that's kind of there might be a block, but you're not sure, or you're gonna see.
Yeah.
All right. Okay.
I was blocked when I left it, but then I found some tutorial about building a shopping cart that I think contains the information that I need to implement what I want to implement. It's just about actually getting it implemented.
All right. Good stuff. Well, maybe we'll hear more about that in the next Scrum. Yeah. Any plans you want to share with us?
Yeah, I'm gonna go to the Elixir mob, and yeah, I have some slides I need to finish for the local Ruby Floripa meetup that we're trying to schedule, but nobody has time to work on. So I'm going to do that. And then I need to put pull requests in for a couple of issues on the Championer 1 that I just want to make sure that they're ready to actually make pull requests before I do. But I think they're ready. So I've got 2 more pull requests to make that I should make today.
All right. Great stuff. Thank you, Matt. Eniwoke was in next. Hey, Eniwoke, how are things going with you?
Things are going good. So I joined the weekend collaboration yesterday. It was good. No blockers. I've been doing mainly theory with data science, trying to understand clustering, k-means clustering, and hierarchical clustering. So just mainly theory. Then I moved over to scikit-learn. Learn how to use scikit-learn. So no blockers for now. I'm going good.
All right. Yeah. Oh, good stuff. And so out of interest, so you're doing some data science courses that you found online?
Yeah, actually that's this data science 9 degrees. Yeah. So
cool. Yeah. Do share those. We've got you're in the data mining channel. Yeah.
The thing is, it's paid. So
it's a paid course. Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, so even so, I mean, I think we're still interested
All right, sure.
You know,
I'll share.
like in you know those things. So yeah, great. Do share those.
Okay.
All right. Okay, good stuff. So no blockers. Any plans that you want to share with us? Any okay?
No, not really.
No.
No, just understand how it works. Like,
Yeah. All right. Good stuff. Yes. Yes, we're doing. Yeah. Nice one. Well, yeah. Be interested to hear more about those courses at some point. But yeah, let's go on to Stella. Hey, Stella, how are things going with you?
Hi everyone. Things are okay on my side. So for me, I had a long weekend because on Friday was a holiday. So over the week on my AV experience, I also did finished up on that feature on local support. Then on Saturday we had a Rails Girls meetup where we did custom validations. The code is on GitHub. Maybe I could share with you later, guys.
Yes, please.
Yeah, then while working on that feature, I realized that for some of the things that have been added on the event, such as address and organization, they are not being captured on the show and index. So whoever did that feature only captured address and organization on create. So while you're looking at an event, there's no address and organization. Yeah, that's all.
So maybe you want to open a bug ticket on that.
Yeah, yes, I could.
Cool.
Yeah.
All right. Good stuff. Anything blocking you, Stella?
At the moment, no.
No. Cool. And any plans that you want to share?
Yeah. I'll later on write the blog on the meetup we had. Then I think I'll work on that issue that I've just raised. And yeah.
Great. Great stuff. All right. That's our Scrum. So that is now Scrum done. Scrum is done. Matt, because your video was kind of like freezing, so I kind of just switched it off to maximize the power to your audio stream. If you want to switch it on again, feel free. Sometimes I noticed the Hangouts, like, ideally one prioritizes the audio. Sometimes it doesn't do so well, but
we had some slight issues with Jitsi, like with the screen, it's freezing and stuff like this.
Yeah, that's what we found with Jitsi on the meet.jit.c is that's a shared server, and sometimes it's shared with everybody in the world who wants to try out Jitsi. So sometimes the performance is okay, and other times it's really bad, and it's a bit unpredictable compared with Hangouts, which seem to be more consistent, which is why we ended up kind of moving back to Hangouts from Jitsi. Of course, we're hoping to move to Jitsi on our own server, but there's various issues to work through there. That's sort of, I guess I forgot that in my list of blocks. We do have this funny thing that when we have three of us, like it works for two of us, but when we have three of us go into the Jitsi, suddenly it switches everybody's video and audio off, and I don't know what that is about. Anyway, we'll be looking at
that. I paired with Will on the Paranauts project this week as well, and we encountered the same issues,
Yeah, so that's sort of a block, but we'll look at that probably, or at least we'll mention that in the Elixir mob. If not diving into it, we will see. That's our Scrum. I guess there's room for any other issues or thoughts that anyone wants to share. If they don't, I guess I'll just mention. So while I had my week off, one of the things I thought was what it would be good to do is for me to kind of try and find individuals who would take the lead on each of the mobs and the scrums and other things that where I sort of, my tendency is to like, oh, well, I'll just get all this stuff done. And I think probably for the other times when I'm away, it might be good to get more people involved in doing things. I wonder, I think probably, I don't know, for Stella and any work here, you have maybe unreliable access to the sort of the network for you. But I'm definitely looking for volunteers who might like to take like a scrum regularly, just like once a week, like on Thursday, you know, the Kent Beck, you know, someone who would just be interested in starting like that one time, and I would be there, and just like I'm hoping to get everybody kind of comfortable with the way to, you know, start a scrum, and, you know, get the hangout running and the video connected up, and so on. Anyway, no need to volunteer. If anybody's interested in doing that, and you can think of, oh yeah, actually Tuesdays the Modern Fowler, or Fridays the Kent Beck is a regular one that's good for me, then let me know, and we can kind of get you being the regular kind of video hangout person, if that makes any sense.
Yeah, it does.
Yeah, it does. When I'm ready, I'll tell you.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think it's pretty straightforward, but there are some things that you go, oh, whoops, you know, like about, like you shared about updating the event in links, and then like one time I think I sent the YouTube live streaming link again, so it just appeared twice, and then we're already done the weekend collaboration, and then it was like looking like we were still there. And then like depending on how you put the event, like I put it as CS169, so sharing on the CS169 SaaS channel, and there's also sharing on our Gitter channel as well. We had someone join us from Gitter that we were just unexpected for us. Cool. Yeah, there are a couple of little things that, yeah, it's nice if you are traveling, or just if you want to start your own pair programming session or something like this. You know, it's nice to be able to have that knowledge. Experience.
Yeah, absolutely. And I mean, it's frustrating for us that we haven't been able to streamline it more. That's partly because we lost the Google Hangouts API. We hope to streamline it, you know, more in the future. But yeah, before that day, it would be great to get more people involved. I mean, Matt, you're already, I think you're picking up a lot of those skills. Is there a Scrum during the week that you would be a good one for you to regularly run? When I say run, I mean to be the one who pings the hangout and video.
Yeah, I mean, the only day that's not good for me is on Wednesdays, because but any, like, if there's a day that's better for you, like Mondays, Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Fridays, I can do either the Martin Fowler or the Kent Beck. Yeah, like sometimes I don't appear at the Kent Beck if I'm at the Martin Fowler and I'm in the middle of something during the day, then I won't show up, but I'm normally available, you know.
Yeah. Well, shall we say, I mean, if the modern Fowler, maybe, do you want to take the Tuesday Modern Fowler? So like tomorrow, that you might take the Tuesday Modern Fowler, and I'll be there as well. But if you take that, I'll maybe send like a little invite to you in the thing, so you get it in the calendar. But that would be awesome.
Cool. Yeah, of course. Yeah, nice. That's great.
Excellent. All right. There we are. I think that's all for now. Great to see you all. See you again real soon.
Thanks. See you soon.